This approach is accessible to everybody anywhere in the globe. You don't require a certain expertise and you don't need any prior experience. This method may not make you a millionaire, but if you are a beginner, it's probably the best option for you. This strategy also works well if you're just looking for a way to make some money on the side. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step because I want you to make sure that you have a good chance of succeeding with each strategy that I show you today. Firstly, I want you to head onto your browser and type in the URL that I'm about to share with you later on. This platform is a crowdsourced carrier with more than 100,000 employees. It says here that may help individuals, small groups, and professionals to create low value exposure, advertising, and marketing campaigns to boost sales to better their ranking backlinks. Now you want to join up as a worker on this internet site, browse the micro jobs that they have on Provide, pick out the activity which you like and the one task and post proof. After that, you can earn your cash through this website. You can cash out by the use of PayPal Cash or switch to the other strategies that you can see right here. Now I'm gonna show you the process of signing up to look and learn more. Presently, we should return to the video, click on this button, and it should lead you to this page. Here, I need you to type all the data that it needs. So type in your name, email address, your password, and select your country. You can see from this rundown of nations that they are really accepting candidates from anywhere in the world. This simply demonstrates that this technique is for sure something that you can do from any place in the world. Once you're done, I need you to confirm that you're not a robot and you're done setting up your account. Do remember these principles that they have set for you and make sure that you make a point to adhere to these guidelines so you have extra energy dealing with this site. They're really straightforward. In any case, 1. You are not permitted to use a VPN or some other kind of concealing IP program. You are not permitted various results or records with a similar IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. You're additionally not permitted a similar IP utilized with different records to tackle errands, and you're likewise not permitted to take care of responsibilities that are related to the country that you are not from. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it, guys. So with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Remember that on the off chance that you defy any of these norms, it may very well get you banned, so don't burn through your time attempting to swindle the framework. Again, I fully encourage you to adhere to the standards so that you don't squander this chance. It is better to be safe than sorry, you know? So whenever you've made your record, they will request that you affirm your email, so browse your email inbox and click on the link on the email that they sent you. You can now check your record and it's simply sign in. As you can see right now, this is what your dashboard appears. And on top of that, you can monitor many things like your all-out stores and your absolutely withdrawals and a lot of other stuff as well. Here are some things that I may have forgotten to share before. You can get compensated $1 to $5 just by joining and acquiring potential on this site. It is totally unbelievable. In addition, you can do this constantly. There is possibly no restriction, as you can see. When you look through that page, you can see that there are undertakings that you can do, and every one of them have their separate installments. They are truly straightforward. You can see the sum that you can procure for each errand and a measure of time that you may spend in getting done with the job. Every one of them is reality, just requires a few minutes, and the greater part of them requires 3 minutes in length or under 10 minutes. As an afterthought here, you can likewise see the individual nations that these assignments are accessible in reasonable notice. However, look out for the errands that aren't marked global or not named by the nation of your starting point. Keep in mind that in contrary to the principle to take on positions that are not implied for your own nation, keep your eyes out of the worldwide ones. Particularly if you remember that I said before that our center will be taking care of errands that include essentially loving recordings. So to do that on the search bar here, I need a look for YouTube and click on this button. And at the point, sort the positions as per how much cash you could possibly make from finishing them. Click on that, and that way, we will actually want to see the most lucrative assignments first. Right now, how about we see here that there are really undertakings that pay you this much cash, and I'll just require you a brief period of time. This implies that you can achieve various errands in simply a span of an hour. For instance, wouldn't you say that this is extraordinary? Now, as an illustration, we should investigate this assignment here. It will pay us this much cash to achieve it in this much time. And so we should tap on that. And as you can see, it will lead us to this page. Here we will actually want to see all of the data. We should have the option to finish this task. Now all you have to do is to adhere to every one of these directions, to follow through with the job, and whenever you're done, you'll get compensated. You'll see it yourself, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple, but before we end this video, the secret tool that we're using right now can be found at rapidworkers.com. And that's it. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money. If you decide to step up, don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate. Thank you so much for staying with us. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.